Hello and welcome. Today, we venture into the captivating realm of fungi. Often overlooked, these remarkable organisms play a vital role in our world. Join me, Mary Berry, as we delve into this secret kingdom, uncovering their beauty and their secrets. From delicate mushrooms to intricate mycelial networks, fungi are a testament to nature's artistry. Prepare to be amazed by their diversity, their resilience, and their sheer strangeness. Hidden beneath the soil lies a vast network of fungal threads, the mycelium. This intricate web connects plants and trees, allowing them to communicate and share resources. It's a hidden world of collaboration and competition, a silent symphony of life that sustains our ecosystems. The world of fungi awaits. Fungi are the ultimate recyclers. They break down dead plants and animals, releasing nutrients back into the ecosystem. Without fungi, the world would be a very different place, choked with debris and starved of life. But their role goes far beyond decomposition. Fungi form mutually beneficial relationships with plants, providing them with essential nutrients and water. In return, plants provide fungi with sugars produced through photosynthesis. Fungi also play a vital role in the food chain. Their fruiting bodies, the mushrooms we often see, are just the tip of the iceberg. So next time you're out in nature, take a moment to appreciate the silent symphony of fungi all around you. Fungi are a kingdom unto themselves, distinct from plants and animals. They reproduce through spores, tiny microscopic cells that can travel vast distances on the wind. From the Arctic tundra to the Amazon rainforest, fungi have colonized every corner of the globe. They thrive in diverse environments, from the depths of the ocean to the heights of the Himalayas. Their adaptability and resilience are a testament to their evolutionary success. Over millions of years, fungi have evolved into an astonishing array of forms and functions. Some are parasitic, feeding on living organisms. Others are symbiotic, forming mutually beneficial relationships. The diversity of the fungal kingdom is truly remarkable. The forest floor. A magical place where sunlight filters through the canopy, creating a mosaic of light and shadow. It's here, amongst the fallen leaves and decaying wood, that we find fungi thriving in all their glory. Look closely, and you'll discover a miniature world of wonder, teeming with life in its most intricate forms. Tiny toadstools, barely larger than a pinhead, stand proudly alongside their larger cousins, their caps adorned with delicate patterns and vibrant hues. Here, a cluster of oyster mushrooms sprouts from a moss-covered log, their gills like delicate pleats. There, a lone puffball rests, plump and white, awaiting a gentle touch to release a cloud of spores into the air. Fungi, as nature's master recyclers, play a pivotal role in this delicate balance. They break down dead plant matter, releasing nutrients back into the soil to nourish new life. From the tiniest spores, new fungal colonies emerge, their thread-like mycelia spreading through the soil like a hidden network. So, let us tread lightly as we explore this magical realm. Beneath the surface of the forest floor lies a hidden world of extraordinary complexity and interconnectedness. Here, in the darkness, a vast network of fungal threads, known as mycelium, weaves its way through the soil, connecting the roots of trees and plants in a symbiotic embrace. This is the Mycorrhizal network, nature's very own internet, a silent communication highway that underpins the health and resilience of the entire forest. Trees use this fungal network to exchange nutrients, water, and even chemical signals. A struggling seedling, shaded by its larger neighbours, can receive a lifeline of sugars from a mature tree nearby, all thanks to the fungal network that connects them. But the mycorrhizal network is more than just a delivery service. It's also a vital communication system. Trees can use this network to send warning signals to their neighbours about insect attacks or impending droughts. The mycorrhizal network is a testament to the power of symbiosis. It's a humbling thought to realise that beneath our feet lies a hidden world of such complexity and sophistication. In the grand tapestry of life, death is not an end, but rather a transformation, a return to the earth to nourish new beginnings. And in this cycle of life, death and rebirth, fungi play a pivotal role as nature's master decomposers. They are the ultimate recyclers, breaking down dead plant and animal matter, releasing nutrients back into the ecosystem to fuel new life. Imagine a world without fungi, a world where fallen leaves piled up year after year, where dead trees lay where they fell, their nutrients locked away, inaccessible to the living. Thankfully, fungi prevent this dystopian scenario. They possess the remarkable ability to break down complex organic compounds, such as lignin and cellulose. Through a complex arsenal of enzymes, fungi dismantle these tough organic molecules, transforming them into simpler compounds that can be readily absorbed by plants and other organisms. The next time you encounter a fallen log slowly being consumed by a colony of fungi, take a moment to appreciate the vital role they are playing in the circle of life. They are ensuring that death is not the end, but rather a new beginning. Fungi are masters of adaptation, colonizing some of the most extreme environments on Earth. From the scorching deserts to the frozen wastelands, from the depths of the ocean to the peaks of the Himalayas, fungi have found a way to thrive against all odds. Consider the arid deserts, where water is scarce and temperatures soar. Here, some fungi have evolved remarkable strategies to survive. Truffle-forming fungi, for example, form symbiotic relationships with the roots of desert plants, helping them access water and nutrients in exchange for sugars. Other desert fungi have adapted to survive long periods of drought in a dormant state, their spores lying in wait for the next rainfall to trigger their resurrection. In the frozen realms of the Arctic and Antarctic, fungi also play a vital role. Some cold-loving fungi have even evolved the ability to grow at sub-zero temperatures, their enzymes specially adapted to function in these extreme conditions. Fungi continue to surprise us with their resilience and adaptability. The fungal kingdom is a celebration of diversity, a testament to the boundless creativity of nature. From the microscopic to the massive, from the mundane to the bizarre, fungi come in an astonishing array of shapes, sizes, colors, and textures. Let your imagination wander through a fantastical fungal landscape. Picture the delicate parasol of a fly agaric mushroom, its bright red cap dotted with white flakes, a beacon of warning in the dappled forest light. Imagine the ghostly glow of bioluminescent fungi illuminating the forest floor with an eerie green light. Marvel at the intricate patterns of bracket fungi, their shelves adorned with concentric rings of colour, like ancient tree rings, and don't forget the microscopic wonders of moulds, their delicate hyphae branching and weaving into intricate tapestries of life. The diversity of fungi extends far beyond their appearance. The fungal kingdom is a microcosm of the natural world, a reminder that diversity is not just beautiful, it's essential for the health and resilience of our planet. Now, let's talk about something truly delightful: edible fungi. These culinary treasures have graced tables for centuries, adding unique flavors and textures to dishes from around the world. From the humble button mushroom to the prized truffle, Fungi offer a world of culinary possibilities. Imagine yourself strolling through a sun-dappled forest, the air thick with the scent of damp earth and pine needles. You bend down to examine a cluster of golden chanterelles, their trumpet-shaped caps emerging from the mossy undergrowth like treasures waiting to be discovered. Back in the kitchen, the aroma of sautéed mushrooms fills the air, their earthy fragrance mingling with the pungent scent of garlic and herbs. From creamy soups and savoury stews to delicate sauces and hearty pizzas, edible fungi add depth, complexity, and a touch of magic to our culinary creations. Don't let their diminutive size fool you. These fungal delights are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for good health. Low in calories and fat, mushrooms are a boon for those seeking a healthy and delicious addition to their diet. Mushrooms are a good source of B vitamins, including riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid, which are essential for energy production, nerve function, and cell metabolism. They are also rich in minerals such as potassium, selenium, and copper, which play important roles in maintaining fluid balance, supporting the immune system, and protecting cells from damage. So next time you're looking for a nutritious and flavorful ingredient to add to your plate, reach for the mighty mushroom. Your body will thank you. From the forests to our farms, the cultivation of mushrooms has become a global industry, providing us with a year-round supply of these culinary treasures. The art and science of mushroom farming, known as myciculture, has evolved over centuries, from humble beginnings in caves and cellars to sophisticated climate-controlled facilities. Imagine stepping inside one of these modern mushroom farms, a world of controlled humidity and temperature, where rows upon rows of shelves are stacked with substrate, the nutrient-rich medium in which mushrooms grow. Here, button mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, and more thrive in carefully controlled conditions, their growth monitored with precision. The process begins with the inoculation of the substrate with mushroom spawn, a mixture of mycelium and a food source. Mushroom farming is not only a source of delicious food, but also a sustainable agricultural practice. Beyond the familiar button and portobello mushrooms found in most supermarkets lies a world of exotic fungal flavors waiting to be discovered. From the forests of Japan to the deserts of Africa, each region boasts its own unique culinary traditions featuring edible fungi. In Japan, the matsutake mushroom is highly prized for its distinctive pine aroma and is often enjoyed grilled or in soups. In Italy, truffles, particularly the black truffle of Perigord and the white truffle of Alba, are considered culinary gold, their intense, earthy aroma captivating chefs and gourmands alike. In North America, morel mushrooms with their honeycomb-like caps and nutty flavour are a springtime delicacy, sought after by mushroom hunters who eagerly anticipate their brief appearance in the forests. From the familiar to the exotic, the world of edible fungi offers a culinary adventure for the curious palate. While the world of edible fungi offers a bounty of culinary delights, it's essential to approach foraging with caution and respect. Not all mushrooms are created equal, and some can be downright deadly if ingested. It's crucial to remember the old adage: there are old mushroom hunters and there are bold mushroom hunters, but there are no old, bold mushroom hunters. Foraging for wild mushrooms should never be taken lightly. It's essential to have a thorough understanding of the edible species in your region and to be able to confidently identify them in the field. A single misidentification can have serious, even fatal consequences. Never rely on common names alone, as these can vary depending on region and tradition. Invest in a reputable field guide to mushrooms specific to your area and learn the key identifying features of both edible and poisonous species. When in doubt, always err on the side of caution and leave the mushroom in the ground. Remember, admiring the beauty of a mushroom in its natural habitat is just as rewarding as adding it to your plate. And when it comes to wild mushrooms, it's always better to be safe than sorry. For centuries, cultures worldwide have recognized the healing power of fungi. Traditional healers from the Amazon to the Himalayas harnessed fungi's medicinal properties. They sought specific fungi with potent medicinal properties, understanding nature's balance. Reishi mushrooms in China and chaga in Siberia have been used for centuries. Indigenous cultures in the Americas use turkey tail and artists' conch mushrooms. These traditions remind us of the forest's wisdom and fungi's healing power. The discovery of penicillin in 1928, a serendipitous finding by Alexander Fleming, marked a turning point in modern medicine. This groundbreaking discovery, derived from the Penicillium fungus, ushered in the era of antibiotics, revolutionizing our ability to treat bacterial infections and saving countless lives. Prior to penicillin, even minor infections could be deadly. Fleming's observation of a mold inhibiting bacterial growth in his petri dish was a pivotal moment, revealing the immense potential of fungi in the fight against infectious diseases. Today, penicillin and its derivatives remain some of the most widely used antibiotics worldwide, effectively treating a wide range of bacterial infections. But the story doesn't end there. Scientists continue to explore the vast potential of fungi in the search for new antibiotics and other life-saving drugs. From the depths of the soil to the most extreme environments, fungi hold the key to unlocking new frontiers in medicine. They are a source of novel compounds with antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and even anti-cancer properties, offering hope for the development of new treatments for some of humanity's most challenging health problems. In today's world, fungi are powerful allies in boosting our immune system. Mushrooms are rich in compounds that enhance immune function, helping our bodies stay resilient. Beta-glucans in mushrooms activate immune cells to recognize and destroy pathogens. Shiitake mushrooms stimulate white blood cells, our frontline defenders. Reishi mushrooms modulate the immune system and reduce inflammation. Incorporate these fungi into your diet for a powerful immune boost. In our fast-paced world, many turn to nature for mental well-being. Fungi offer fascinating benefits for our minds and bodies. Lion's mane enhances cognitive function and mental clarity. Cordyceps improve memory and cognitive function. Psilocybin mushrooms may treat depression and anxiety. Beyond culinary and medicinal uses, fungi have vast potential in various industries. From cleaning pollutants to creating sustainable materials, fungi are emerging as heroes. Fungi make significant strides in bioremediation, cleaning polluted environments. They break down pollutants, including heavy metals, pesticides, and plastics. Fungi are explored for sustainable materials like bioplastics and building materials. Mycelium can be grown into biodegradable alternatives to plastics. Imagine packaging, furniture, and insulation made from fungi. Fungi also contribute to renewable energy, producing biofuels. They offer a promising alternative to fossil fuels. The future of fungi is bright, full of sustainable possibilities. As we delve deeper into the fascinating world of fungi, it becomes clear we have only scratched the surface of their potential. These remarkable organisms hold the key to solutions for humanity's challenges, from combating disease to sustainability. Imagine fungal-based medicines revolutionizing healthcare. Picture fungal bioremediation cleaning our environments. Envision fungal biomaterials replacing plastics. The future of fungi is linked to our own. By embracing fungi, we unlock possibilities for a healthier, sustainable world. Let us explore, learn, and collaborate, harnessing fungi to shape a brighter future. The journey into fungi is just beginning, with discoveries that can change the world. Now, dearies, we mustn't forget that the natural world, as wondrous as it is, can also be quite perilous. Just as some plants possess thorns and some animals carry venom, so too do certain fungi harbour toxins, potent defences that can pose serious threats to unsuspecting humans. Stepping into the realm of poisonous mushrooms can feel like entering a grim fairy tale. These fungal tricksters, with their alluring colours and intriguing shapes, often conceal a darker nature, one that can bring about illness, hallucinations, and even death. Take, for instance, the infamous death cap mushroom, Amanita phalloides. Its unassuming pale green cap belies a deadly secret amatoxins, potent toxins that attack the liver and kidneys, often leading to fatal organ failure. Even a small nibble of this treacherous fungus can have devastating consequences. And then there's the destroying angel mushroom, Amanita virosa, a name that sends shivers down the spine. This ghostly white mushroom, with its delicate, almost ethereal appearance, is anything but angelic. Its toxins, similar to those of the death cap, are equally lethal, making it a fungus to be strictly avoided. Identifying poisonous mushrooms is a delicate and often perilous task. Many toxic species bear a striking resemblance to their edible counterparts. These fungal doppelgangers can easily fool even the most experienced forager. Consider the green-spored parasol mushroom, often mistaken for the edible parasol mushroom. Green spores indicate the poisonous imposter, white for its edible kin. This subtle distinction can be a matter of life or death. The fool's funnel, Clitocybe infundibula, often pops up in lawns and gardens. Its small funnel-shaped cap and pale brown colour make it easy to confuse with edible species. The fool's funnel contains muscarine, a toxin causing severe distress. Approach wild mushroom foraging with caution. When in doubt, dearies, leave it out. Now, it's important to remember that toxicity is not a simple yes or no concept. The old adage, the dose makes the poison, holds true even in the fungal realm. What might be a harmless nibble for one person could be a dangerous dose for another. Factors like body weight, age, existing health conditions, and even genetic predisposition can influence how an individual reacts to a particular toxin. Children, the elderly, and those with compromised immune systems are particularly vulnerable to the effects of fungal toxins. Moreover, the concentration of toxins within a mushroom species can vary depending on factors like growing conditions, maturity, and even geographical location. A mushroom that's relatively benign in one region might pack a potent punch in another. This complexity underscores the need for a nuanced understanding of fungal toxicity. It's not enough to simply memorize a list of poisonous mushrooms. We must also appreciate the factors that influence their potency and the individual variability in response to their toxins. For those who dare to venture into the wild mushroom realm, a healthy dose of caution is paramount. Foraging for mushrooms should be approached with the same respect and diligence one would give to handling any potentially hazardous substance. First and foremost, never consume a wild mushroom unless you are absolutely certain of its identification. Consult multiple field guides, seek expert guidance from experienced mycologists, and when in doubt, leave it out. Always wear gloves when handling wild mushrooms, as some toxins can be absorbed through the skin. Carry a separate basket or container for each species you collect to prevent cross-contamination in case one of your finds turns out to be toxic. And remember, dearies, cooking doesn't always neutralize fungal toxins. Some toxins are heat-stable, meaning they can withstand high temperatures without breaking down. Never rely on cooking as a foolproof method of detoxification. While the potential dangers of poisonous mushrooms should never be underestimated, it's equally important to remember that fungi play a vital role in the delicate balance of nature. They are not villains to be feared, but rather integral members of the web of life, deserving of our respect and admiration. Fungi, in all their diversity, contribute to the health and functioning of our ecosystems in countless ways. They decompose organic matter, recycle nutrients, form symbiotic relationships with plants, and provide food and habitat for a myriad of creatures. Their presence, even in their toxic forms, serves as a reminder of the inherent power and complexity of the natural world. They challenge us to approach nature with humility and respect, recognizing that our actions have consequences and that our well-being is inextricably linked to the well-being of all living things. So let us not demonize these fascinating organisms, but rather strive to understand them, to appreciate their role in the grand scheme of things, and to coexist with them in a way that honors the delicate balance of nature. As we've journeyed through the captivating realm of fungi, we've encountered both their beneficial and harmful aspects, marveling at their culinary delights and medicinal properties while acknowledging the dangers of toxic counterparts. This duality fascinates us. Fungi challenge us to embrace a nuanced perspective. The world of fungi is one of wonder and mystery. Let's explore with curiosity and respect, embracing the complexity and beauty of the fungal kingdom. Well, dearies, we've come to the end of our grand fungal foray. A journey from the forest floor to the frontiers of science, from culinary delights to toxic perils. Fungi are essential players in the grand orchestra of life, shaping ecosystems, influencing health, and expanding culinary horizons. From mycorrhizal networks to penicillin, fungi have left an indelible mark on our world. As we move forward, let us appreciate these fascinating organisms. One of the most profound lessons we can glean from our exploration of fungi is the interconnectedness of all living things. Fungi, with their intricate mycelial networks that weave through the soil, connecting plants and trees in a vast, underground web, serve as a powerful metaphor for the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Just as fungi break down organic matter, returning essential nutrients to the ecosystem, so too do our actions ripple through the web of life, influencing the well-being of ourselves and the planet we call home. Fungi remind us that we are not isolated individuals, but rather part of a complex and interconnected system. Our health is inextricably linked to the health of our environment, and the choices we make, both large and small, have far-reaching consequences. By embracing a more holistic perspective, one that recognizes the interconnectedness of all living things, we can begin to shift from a mindset of exploitation to one of stewardship, working in harmony with nature rather than against it. As we look to the future, it's clear that fungi have a vital role to play in addressing some of the most pressing challenges facing humanity. From combating climate change to developing new medicines, These versatile organisms offer a wealth of untapped potential. Imagine a world where fungal bioremediation cleans up polluted environments, transforming harmful waste into valuable resources. Picture a future where fungal biomaterials replace plastics, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and creating a more circular economy. Envision a world where fungal-based medicines offer new hope for treating diseases, boosting our immune systems, and enhancing our cognitive function. The possibilities, dearies, are as vast and intricate as the mycelial networks that stretch beneath our feet. By embracing the ingenuity of nature and harnessing the power of fungi, we can create a future where humans and fungi coexist in harmony, our destinies intertwined in a tapestry of mutual benefit and shared prosperity. And so, my dears, our fungal adventure draws to a close. But the journey doesn't truly end here, does it? The spores of knowledge have been sown, and our fascination with this hidden kingdom will undoubtedly continue to grow. As you stroll through a forest, tend to your garden, or even enjoy a delicious meal featuring mushrooms, remember the intricate world of fungi that lies beneath the surface. Remember their vital role in the web of life, their potential to heal and to harm, and their endless capacity to inspire wonder and awe. Until we meet again in the fungal realm, dearies, happy foraging, and may your paths be ever filled with the beauty and wonder of the natural world.